Hello there, I'm Suzanne Peck, Director of Homefield Grange Health and Wellness Spa Retreat based here in Northamptonshire. The menopause is a time in life that all us women will have to face and eventually go through. Some are very lucky and they sail through the whole situation. However, for the vast majority, the menopause can cause very upsetting and debilitating symptoms that affect her life. So our weekend retreat is about balancing your hormones, reducing your stress levels, and basically managing the consequences of this situation in our lives. This is what the weekend is about. It's going to be run by lifestyle professionals who are going to help you to learn and understand how to equip your mind and body to take control of this natural stage in our lives. And these professionals are also have gone through or they're going through the same thing as you, so they can completely empathize and talk from a place of both knowledge and experience. The weekend, I think, is an opportunity for you to come and learn from us, from the talks, to relax in a stunning wellness spa, to de-stress yourself, have time for you, pamper yourself with some lovely therapies, enjoy healthy food that feeds your gut, and reconnect with yourself at this beautiful countryside retreat we have here at Homefield. So come by yourself or come together. Either way, you're going to be well looked after, and you're going to be sharing your time here and building your confidence again with women who are all going through the same thing as you. So, whether you're perimenopausal, you're menopausal, or you're postmenopausal, we can show you what to do naturally and effectively for taking the best care of yourself possible during this transitional time in our lives that we call the menopause.